Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So let's start. Okay, the first one is the Korean translation of the verb to do, and that is 하다, 하다. Okay, next comes the Korean translation of the verb to teach, and that is 가르치다, 가르치다. Okay, next comes the Korean translation of the verb to study, and that is 공부하다, 공부하다. Okay, next the Korean translation of the verb to know, and that is 알다, 알다. Okay, next comes the verb to speak, and the Korean translation for this is 말하다, 말하다. Okay, next is the Korean translation of the verb to play, and that is 놀다, 놀다. Okay, next is the Korean translation of the verb to work, and that is 일하다, 일하다. Okay, next is the verb to help, and the Korean translation is 돕다, 돕다. Okay, next is the Korean translation of the verb to throw, and that is 던지다, 던지다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to catch, and that is 잡다, 잡다. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean verbs that are used in day-to-day life. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.